travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you groovy cats next time.